Happy day everyone, we are seeing the important formula for the NEET from the chapter rotation motions. Okay, so here this is the last video. Still now we have discussed about the center of mass and the basic formulas from that, and also we have talked about the inertia, theorems of inertia, and some definite formulas for the different shapes, and we also talked about the comparison between the linear and rotational motion. Now this is the last video from this chapter. So if you see all these four videos for this particular chapter, I have given one simple formulas, but that will be really helpful for you to solve the NEET questions or even for JEE. Only if you read all the formulas given here, for sure you can like solve any questions asking from the chapter. So now we will be discussing about the particular topic. So here I have given you the velocity, acceleration and time of descent for a body rolling and inclining plane, but the bodies will be different, right? I have discussed about the ring or hollow cylinder, and for disc and solid cylinder, and solid sphere and hollow sphere. Okay, to talk about the general formula for the velocity, it will be root of 2gh plus 1 plus k square by r square. But in case of ring, it is root gh. In case of disc, it is root 4gh by 3. In case of solid sphere, it will be root of 10 by 7 gh. In case of hollow sphere, it will be root of 6 by 5 gh. Okay, don't waste your time, memorize right now itself. I will repeat it again so it will be easier for you to memorize. Okay, by the end of this video you need to memorize all the 12 values. So we will first talk about the velocity. Velocity of ring or hollow sphere will be root gh. For disc or solid cylinder, it is root of 4gh by 3. And for solid sphere, it is root of 10 by 7 into gh. And for hollow sphere, root of 6 by 5 into gh. Okay, let me give you a few seconds. I hope you have memorized the formulas for all this body for the velocity. Now we will be memorizing for the acceleration. So for ring or hollow cylinder, it is 1 by 2 g sin theta. For disc or solid cylinder, it is 2 by 3 g sin theta. For solid sphere, it is 5 by 7 g sin theta. And for hollow sphere, 3 by 5 g sin theta. So g sin theta will remain for all the four. You have to memorize only 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. Okay. And even in this case of velocity, gh will be remaining for same for everything. Only you have to memorize these constant values. So for acceleration also we will repeat again and memorize it quickly. For ring or hollow sphere, it is 1 by 2 g sin theta. For disc or solid cylinder, it is 2 by 3 g sin theta. For solid sphere, it is 5 by 7 g sin theta. Hollow sphere, it is 3 by 5 g sin theta. Fine. Okay, now we will finally talk about the time and we will be memorizing all the formulas. Okay, so for ring or hollow cylinder, it will be 1 by sine theta into root of 4h by g. For disc or solid cylinder, it is 1 by sine theta by root of 3h by g. For solid sphere, 1 by sine theta into root of 14 by 5 into h by g. And for hollow sphere, it is 1 by sine theta into root of 10 by 3 into h by g. Let's repeat it again. You also say with me. For ring or hollow cylinder, it is 1 by sine theta root of 4h by g. For disc or solid cylinder, it is 1 by sine theta root 3h by g. For solid sphere, 1 by sine theta root of 14 by 5 into h by g. For hollow sphere, 1 by sine theta into root of 10 by 3 into h by g. Hope you have memorized all this one formula with me itself, because it is really important. Okay, it is very easy also. If you see, only constants you have to memorize. That's why I ask you to memorize right now. So let me ask you a quick question. Those who have memorized, you can answer without seeing it. What is the formula for acceleration for solid sphere? Okay. What is the formula for velocity for the hollow sphere? If you have answered these two questions without seeing, you are good to go, because you have saved time. Okay, now itself you have memorized the formula. Even if not, it's not a problem. Write it once, at least once. If you write it, you will be able to easily memorize it. So I have completed all the important formula for this chapter, rotational motion. We will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.